Well, a lot of folks watching right now have been dabbling for months, maybe even years, still stuck, still not making progress.
Man, I lived in that space watching all the videos, downloading all the freebies, but deep down, I was afraid. Not of failing, but of feeling like a beginner again. I'm Carl. I'm not some expert. I'm just a regular midlife guy who hit a wall, had to start over after a health scare, and figured out how to build something online one step at a time. If you're stuck, I get it. I remember sitting at my desk one night thinking, I've got folders full of downloads, YouTube videos saved, AI tools bookmarked, and nothing to show for it. The truth? I was hiding behind learning. I didn't want to put myself out there. I thought I had to have everything perfect before I started. But perfection is the enemy of progress. And honestly, I was scared of failing in front of my family, scared of wasting more time.
So when did it shift?
When I found a blueprint that made sense. It was built for beginners, and it helped me see that I didn't need to be an expert, I just needed to be consistent. That's when things started to click. It taught me to stop trying to do everything and just focus on doing one thing well. I started using AI tools to create content. I made simple landing pages. I learned how to write in my own voice. Most importantly, it showed me how to take small, repeatable actions that actually build something over time. What I love is the simplicity. I'm not glued to a screen all day. I'm not chasing shiny objects. I've got a system, a rhythm, and I get to help people like me, folks who feel like life passed them by. It's not too late, and it doesn't have to be complicated. I finally feel like I'm moving forward again. I have a reason to get up and create. I'm building digital income from home. I feel useful again, and I've even started to dream bigger for myself and my family.
And if Carl can do it, starting with zero tech skills and a whole lot of doubt, you can too.
If you're tired of sitting on the sidelines, hit subscribe. This channel is where I share what's working for regular midlife beginners. No fluff, no pressure, just progress. You've got this.